You guys okay? You? Good. Then it looks like we're in the clear for now.
Birds. They're coming.
There are no birds.
They're right there.
Maybe they're not. Isn't it just the loveliest day outside today? It's the fairest.
Well, the stocks have gone up since last fall.
Well, that's good.
The birds.
The birds?
Yeah, there were birds and you guys all died.
Huh?
You guys are dead.
They're right here.
No.
You're sleeping, sweetie.
No, you guys were all there and you guys all were.
You were dreaming.
died.
You were dreaming. Tell us about your dream.
Well, it all started